Hi, I'm Andrew Hill, Brand Ambassador. I've been working with the FishPro product development team for Sea-Doo. Let's talk about a few things you'll need to keep in mind before you hit the water and make your FishPro experience as good as it can be.
Thanks, Andrew. If you're new to fishing, here are a few reminders to ensure we keep our waters and the wildlife just as we found them. Before hitting the water, be sure you've got everything you'll need to make the most of your trip. And ensure you're prepared should anything happen. Things like a cell phone, rain and riding gear, food, a water bottle, sunscreen and a hat, a navigation chart, scissors, gloves, pliers, and don't forget your boater's license and registration. As a member of the Sea-Doo fishing community, it is your responsibility to respect other anglers and boaters so waterways remain open for fishing. Every region has its own regulations. It is your responsibility to read, understand, and follow all regulations. Avoid fishing near public and private swimming and beach areas, so you don't leave sharp lures where people play. Pick up your trash, and any you might find out and around the water. If you're catching and releasing, don't keep fish out of the water for too long, and make sure to hold them horizontally when taking a picture. Handle the fish delicately, and release them as soon as possible. Your Sea-Doo is equipped with Eco Mode, which automatically limits engine power so the engine runs at the most efficient level. This saves fuel and reduces emissions. Traveling to different waterways is a great way to enjoy fishing, but it can lead to unintended consequences, most notably invasive species. Remove any vegetation from your Sea-Doo, get rid of mud, and drain your bilge, cooler, and any other area that may be holding water. You should also consider drying and disinfecting your watercraft to make sure it's ready for the next launch. Following these tips each time you ride your FishPro will make sure you have a great time out on the water.